Shortly after I started working with the Nature Conservancy, I realized that it was different from any job I'd held. My duties were different, but that wasn't it. And yes, my office was great outdoors, and that wasn't it either. Then reflecting on my past employers and co-workers, I realized that what it was, most of them seemed moody and totally focused on monetary gain their labors would produce. The staff at TNC were special. They were passionate about their goals and believed in a cause much greater than personal wealth. They welcomed me with friendship and shared their knowledge of nature freely upon request. I found myself compelled to create something to show my appreciation to Jonna and all of the Oklahoma chapter staff for believing in me, and here is the result of the inspiration they've given me.
You did great.
Yeah.
So great.
So I'm going to try to read this since everybody can't see it. As we undertake the task of healing the wounds that humans have inflicted on the earth and defending creatures imperiled by thoughtless activities they call progress, we unite as one. Driven by tireless enthusiasm, we each make our own contribution to the cause. We are all destined to be claimed by the ages. Let the monument to our existence not be of bronze or concrete, but a thriving natural environment.